Hello everyone, and welcome back to the ToupTek Astro channel. In this video, we'll walk you through a complete connection tutorial for the SkyEye series camera, filter wheel and OAG. Required equipment: filter wheel, SkyEye series camera, OAG off-axis guider. Remove the screws on the front cover and take off the cover. Remove the 5mm adapter ring from the front of the SkyEye camera. Rotate the internal carousel until the 4 mounting holes for connecting the filter wheel to the camera are visible. Place the filter wheel onto the camera, aligning the 4 mounting holes. Secure them using 4 M2.512 screws included with the filter wheel. Once tightened, ensure the internal carousel rotates smoothly. Reinstall the front cover and tighten the screws. Loosen the 6 screws and remove the front cover of the OAG. Align the 6 holes of the filter wheel, the previously removed 5mm adapter ring from the SkyEye camera and the inner ring of the OAG. Secure them using M2.512 screws included with the SkyEye camera. Reinstall the opposite cover plate of the OAG. Adjust the OAG prism to an appropriate position, ensuring it is fully visible while not blocking the main camera sensor. Then tighten the set screw to secure it. Assembly is now complete. Important tips: when installing the filter wheel and camera, many users tend to remove the internal carousel and attempt a threaded installation. This is not recommended. Doing so may cause the internal drive belt of the filter wheel to come loose, and reassembly can be challenging. The updated ToupTek Astro filter wheel design has optimized the installation method. There is no need to remove the internal carousel. Simply align the rear mounting holes with the camera and install directly. If the belt accidentally comes off during installation, follow these steps to restore it. 1. Loosen the 2 screws on the small circuit board and remove the board. 2. Loosen the 4 screws on the innermost ring of the carousel and remove the carousel. 3. Thread the outer belt of the carousel through the motor shaft and tension pulley first, then fit it onto the carousel. 4. Reinstall the carousel and circuit board, ensuring the carousel rotates smoothly.